Pound dollar daily forecast January 10th, fxempire.com. The pound dollar rose during the session on Monday as the pair reached the bottom of what has been a relatively reliable consolidation zone. However, there's a couple things about this zone that you should pay attention to, and one is the fact that the most recent low was lower than the one before it, and this one that we made over the weekend was a couple pips higher, but maybe not enough to really make any difference. The highs have been getting gradually lower in this pair even as we consolidated, and that does suggest perhaps there's a little bit of steam picking up in the sell-off. We're chipping away a little bit on this support. The support goes down to 153. It starts at 155, and as you can see, we've gotten well below that a couple times recently. The reason that this is so important is if you look at the weekly chart now, you can see that the 153 level is certainly supportive, and you use a little bit of imagination, you can see that 155 of course is as well. So we've been looking at this as a 200 pip thick support line. We have what could possibly be a complex head and shoulders. Last week's weekly candle was a shooting star, which shows a real failure to rally, and as such, it does look like overall this pair could fall. This measures to roughly 140, although the lows at 140, 150 would be close enough for us if we did go short. This is why, when looking at the daily chart, we are thinking that a breakdown below 153 is so massive and would have a selling hand over fist in this pair, as it would be a major change in sentiment. Looking to the upside, it's difficult to buy this pair until we clear 158 because it has struggled so much between 157 and 158. Rallies in this pair on signs of weakness closer to that are to be sold, and as a result we are in a sell only mode until we get that daily close above 158 in this pair. Again, a sub 153 close on the daily chart gets us very aggressive in selling this pair and would sell rallies continuing all the way down for about 1,000 pips going forward, as they would certainly come. It's not going to fall 1,000 pips in a day or two. It's going to bounce around a little bit, but at that point in time we think that it would be a definite negative turn of events and would provide plenty of selling opportunities.